Introduction. Being a working mom can be incredibly challenging. You have to balance your job responsibilities with your home responsibilities, while also finding time to take care of yourself. However, there is a way to make things a little easier, by starting a side hustle. A side hustle is a business or gig that you work on outside of your regular job. It can be a great way to make extra money, build new skills, and explore your interests. In this article, we will explore various side hustle ideas that working moms can pursue to supplement their income. Freelance writing. Freelance writing is a great side hustle for working moms who enjoy writing and have a passion for language. You can write for various publications or businesses, and the pay can be quite lucrative. There are many online platforms where you can find writing gigs, such as Upwork and Freelancer. You can also reach out to companies and offer your services as a writer. Virtual assistants. Virtual assistants is another popular side hustle for working moms. You can work as a virtual assistant for businesses or entrepreneurs, managing their emails, social media, and other administrative tasks. There are many online platforms where you can find virtual assistant gigs, such as Fiverr and TaskRabbit. You can also reach out to businesses and offer your services as a virtual assistant. Photography. If you have a passion for photography, you can turn it into a profitable side hustle. You can offer your photography services for weddings, events, or even stock photography websites. To get started, you will need a good camera and some basic photography skills. You can also take online courses or workshops to improve your skills and learn new techniques. Blogging. Blogging is another great side hustle for working moms who enjoy writing. You can create a blog on any topic that interests you, and monetize it through affiliate marketing, sponsored posts, and advertising. To start a blog, you will need a domain name and hosting. You can use platforms such as WordPress or Wix to create your blog, and then start promoting it through social media and other channels. Online tutoring. Online tutoring is a flexible and rewarding side hustle for working moms who have teaching experience. You can tutor students in various subjects, such as math, science, or language. There are many online platforms where you can find tutoring gigs, such as Chegg and TutorMe. You can also reach out to parents and offer your services as a tutor. Social media management. Social media management is another in-demand side hustle for working moms. You can help businesses or individuals manage their social media accounts, creating content, and engaging with followers. To get started, you will need a good understanding of social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. You can also take online courses or workshops to learn more about social media marketing. Online store. If you enjoy making crafts or selling products, you can start your own online store. You can sell your products through platforms such as Etsy or Amazon, or create your own website. To get started, you will need to create a product line and set up a store. You can also promote your products through social media and other channels. Pet care services. If you love animals, you can start a pet care service as a side hustle. You can offer services such as dog walking, pet sitting, or pet grooming. To get started, you will need to build up a client base through word-of-mouth referrals and online marketing. You can also join pet care platforms such as Rover to find clients. Graphic design. Graphic design is a creative and in-demand side hustle for working moms. You can design graphics for websites, logos, business cards, or marketing materials. To get started, you will need a good understanding of graphic design software such as Adobe Illustrator or Photoshop. You can also take online courses or workshops to improve your skills and learn new techniques. Event planning. If you have a knack for organizing and planning, event planning can be a lucrative side hustle for working moms. You can plan events such as weddings, parties, or corporate events. To get started, you will need to build up a portfolio and network with vendors and clients. You can also take online courses or workshops to learn more about event planning and management. Personal shopping. If you enjoy shopping and have a good eye for fashion, personal shopping can be a fun and rewarding side hustle. You can help clients choose outfits, accessories, and makeup for special events or everyday wear. To get started, you will need to build up a client base through word-of-mouth referrals and online marketing. You can also join personal shopping platforms such as Stitch Fix or Trunk Club to find clients. Meal planning and prep. If you enjoy cooking and have a knack for meal planning, you can offer your services as a meal planner or prep chef. You can help clients plan their meals, shop for groceries, and prepare healthy and delicious meals for the week. To get started, you will need to build up a client base through word-of-mouth referrals and online marketing. You can also join meal planning platforms such as PlateJoy or Fresh Meal Plan to find clients. Personal training. If you are passionate about fitness and have experience as a personal trainer, you can offer your services as a side hustle. You can help clients reach their fitness goals by creating personalized workout plans and providing motivation and accountability. To get started, you will need to build up a client base through word-of-mouth referrals and online marketing. You can also join personal training platforms such as Train Heroic or Fitbit Coach to find clients. House cleaning. If you enjoy cleaning and have a knack for organization, house cleaning can be a great side hustle. You can offer your services as a professional cleaner, helping clients keep their homes clean and tidy. To get started, you will need to build up a client base through word-of-mouth referrals and online marketing. You can also join cleaning platforms such as TaskRabbit or HomeAdvisor to find clients. Home organization. If you are good at organizing and decluttering, you can offer your services as a home organizer. You can help clients declutter their homes, organize their belongings, and create systems for staying organized. To get started, you will need to build up a client base through word-of-mouth referrals and online marketing. You can also join organizing platforms such as the Home Edit or Marie Kondo to find clients. Conclusion. Starting a side hustle can be a great way for working moms to supplement their income, build new skills, and explore their interests. Whether you enjoy writing, photography, pet care, or event planning, there are many side hustle ideas to choose from. To get started, think about your skills and interests, and research online platforms and resources to help you launch your side hustle. With dedication and hard work, you can turn your side hustle into a successful and rewarding venture.